Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm a Filipino girl who has a dream, of course. So, one of my dreams is to buy in a Louis Vuitton boutique. I have a never full damier, but it was just a pre-loved, so there's nothing wrong with the pre-loved, but syempre gusto ko din makatapak sa boutique to have the full package. So there's paper bag, box, ribbon, dust bag, receipt, of course. Okay, so yesterday I'm with my friend and she helped me to decide what to buy in Louis Vuitton boutique. So, already. Actually, binuksan ko na to pero binalik ko lang yung ribbon and di ko na alam paano siya ibalik. So, they will put a ribbon. So, kapag bumili ka, may ribbon silang ilalagay. And then, there's a big box. Kasi yung bag na nabili ko, it's not foldable. And it's here inside the dust bag. So it's inside the dust bag. Okay, so this is what they call champagne bag. They said you can put the 2 champagnes, so it's a champagne holder. That's what they said. But we call this, so online or in their website you can check. The item name is Neonoe. So it's Neonoe B. There's a BB and there's an MM. So BB is the small one. I've got the MM because I'm not fan of small bags kasi dala ko lahat, buong bahay talaga. So here it is. I chose the caramel brown. I don't know. Iba yung impact sa akin ng brown. And then, it's with a strap. With a gold hardware. Okay. So you can use this as a shoulder bag. So it's a shoulder bag. So, by the way, I'm 163 centimeters. So it's 5'3". And this strap, adjustable siya. Meron akong bag, the Longchamp. Pero it can be worn as yung dito sa crook ng arm. Yeah. Pero tamad kasi ako magbitbit, so hindi ko na siya masyadong nagagamit. So, I'm thinking to buy the Speedy 30, actually. I don't like the Baudelaire because I don't like the design outside the bag or the side ones. So, I like the plain monogram Speedy 30 without the strap. Okay, but dahil na naisip ko, so tamad ako magbitbit ng ganun na bag on where you could just put it, carry it like that, hand carry, or on the crook of your arm. So, ito, I decided to buy this. So, pwede mo siyang gawing body bag. It's a bit long though, pero carry na. Okay naman. Ano na kapag mag-shopping ka, pwede na din. So, you can carry shopping bags on your, either or both of your hands. So, okay, so plus point, adjustable yung strap niya. So, you could just slide it there. And on the other side. Okay. So, if it happens like that, alam mo na hindi tama yung strap mo. Kasi the other one is longer than the other one. So, you need to just reverse it like that. It's okay na. And it's very light, guys. Sobrang light. Parang wala ka talagang dalang bag, actually. Ako ang dami talagang bag. Kaya yung never full damier ko talagang puno lagi. Meron akong water bottle, power bank, and all. So, ayan. I chose this one. And then inside, there's a pouch. But yung pouch niya, it's not removable. So, hindi siya natatanggal. But hindi siya all the way until down. So, the stitches are only sides, on the sides. So, yung bottom niya, there's a space. Yeah. So, it's like, what do you call that? Parang divider. So, mga gamit mo. Okay. And then, what else? So, yung hardware, it says, yung sa may pocket, so it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Then the hardware here, there should be Louis Vuitton. At the back as well, Louis Vuitton. And these gold hardwares as well, so the outside to the inside there. Louis Vuitton. And then, kung gusto mo makita yung code, it's inside this pocket or pouch inside. And it's so hard to see actually, but I saw it earlier. So the code is 2250. So it was made from 25th week of 2020. So ayun. Made, ginawa lang siya this year. So yeah, the stitches are good. So pero unlike other bags ng Louis Vuitton, like yung Neverfull, meron siyang pattern. So it should be like this, like this, like this. So yung Louis Vuitton na Neverfull, sorry, yung Louis Vuitton. So meron siyang pattern and it should be equally patterned until the bottom. So this one, is a pattern. Pero it doesn't matter. So it looks like a bucket bag as well. So I like bucket bag. Pero yun nga, syempre masyado na mahal. So I chose only one. So I've got this handbag. So let's see the review. I'm gonna use this for a month. So hopefully okay naman siya. Pero so far, so good. And I love it. So yun. So kung mayroon kayong plan na bumili sa Louis Vuitton, choose wisely kung ano yung kailangan nyo talaga. Okay, so I think I needed more than the Speedy 30. So there you have it. I love caramel brown. Other than, so there's pink, red, black, but yeah, I'm fan of brown. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, just message me.